So I'm looking out my back door, or my side door, and yeah, it's Monday morning around 8:30. It's raining. It's not pouring. It's raining hard, but it's not pouring. And they're saying, so the hurricane is still 280 miles away from our coast, the coast of New Jersey, and it's looking like it's going to make a direct impact with us, and it's going to go right over top of me. I mean, it's crazy. I'll come up with a little graphic just to show you guys what I'm talking about and put it in the vid. But you know, so we got some wind gusts, maybe 20 mile per hour. Not too hectic yet, but we're still a couple hours away. Storm's moving about 20 miles an hour. It's about 300 miles off the coast, so you do the math. Basically means that pretty soon we're gonna get hammered. Oh, looks like the rain let up for just a little bit. Oh no, it's not. What am I saying? Oh my god, it's got drenched. So that's our Monday morning update. Looks it's bright out. It's just overcast, you know, all cloudy and shit. Alright, well, I'm gonna go brew some coffee and cook up some eggs and have me some breakfast. Some scrambies and bacon. They got me tons of food. I was gonna enjoy it while I got power. The road's closed. The bridge's closed. But you know what I say to that? We'll find our way around. Desperately want to check this spot out. Oh yeah. Oh, she's closed, all right. I came out here because this is one of the first areas that normally floods. And there's a big storm. Ah, puddles. Right now it ain't raining hard at all, really. But it's been raining non-stop since probably like 10 p.m. last night. And this bridge will be underwater when the time comes. Over that. So there's not too much to speak of yet, man. It really is just like a heavy rainstorm. It's just breezy and raining. Let's check the other side. Yeah, down there it floods pretty bad too. Not yet, but that's the first place for it to come over. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, yummy Jersey water. So I guarantee it, probably by the night, this whole road will be under a foot or two of water. It's probably like low tide right now. Gotta be. There's no way this wouldn't be flooded already. What's that? Is that a creature? Nah, it's just, I don't know what the fuck it is. So not much to report just yet, guys. I am risking life and limb being out here. Well, I guess not literally, but I am risking a ticket, that's for sure, because currently there is a state of emergency, and for just driving out on the roads right now, I could get a ticket. I've been told they're giving out tickets already to people. So this will probably be my last time where I'll be able to drive somewhere. But I will be getting on foot once the weather gets real crazy, walking around and checking stuff out. So that's it. Not much to update just yet. The storm is coming. Still got another 250 miles to go though. So that's all I got for you guys. Woo! Yep. We'll check back in a little later, guys. Peace out. Ah, shit. Roadblock. What do we do? What do we do? Let's go around it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! Okay, that was a little sketchy. Alright guys, heading home. We'll check back in a couple hours.